Just love it. I love nature. The two geese then, they're very vocal when they're flying. They're always chatting to one another. So let's see what's along here. I did notice somebody walking with a dog through here when I was on the far side, so I don't expect to see anything, to be fair. See a few fish rising over there. See one crazy dog. And that's about it. Dead quiet. I have, well, not me personally, but he's spoke to the fox up there on this left hand side in the reeds. Maybe having a little swim, I think, because he's black underneath, he's gone in the mud. So a lot of midges around again. I'm trying to speak with my mouth closed like a bloody ventriloquist. I'm going to get a mouthful of midges. Anyway, I'll knock this on the head. There's nothing on the lake here. Nothing at all. So that's him.